exploring the perceptions about male teachers in early grades across schools in Nigeria. Osita Victor Ossai, Sarita Ramsaroop. Literature review. Several researchers have identified the barriers facing male teachers of elementary schools. A study found that male early childhood teachers face many challenges. Parents' perspectives about teaching and caring for their children differ significantly. Parents react with fear and suspicion when discovering their children have male teachers in their classrooms. The parents of young children perceive male teachers as sex predators, abusers, and unqualified to work with children in early grade schools. In addition to the no-touch rule, which restricts males from making physical contact with pupils for fear of false accusations, no such restriction applies to female teachers. This creates a gender equity gap in education, with a bias towards women with different roles and expectations for male teachers. Male preschool teachers raise fears and concerns among employers and parents about gender identification and sexual orientation. The most significant barrier to male early childhood teachers entering the field is child molestation. Furthermore, it is claimed that some people believe male preschool teachers have pedophilic tendencies, and this perception serves as a barrier for those who want to teach. As a result, male early childhood educators are concerned about bias among parents, female teachers, and administrators. Such concerns are valid, as parents do raise concerns when a male early childhood educator is responsible for the education and care of their children and prefer their children to be taught by a female early childhood instructor. It is therefore challenging to give male early childhood teachers a fair assessment of their work because of these stereotypes.